بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
The moment we realize that everything happens by the will of Allah, all our worries being to fade away. Allah has a plan for you. You are exactly where He wants you right now. For the bad times that pushed me closer to Allah. Oh Allah, thank you for choosing me to be a Muslim. Trust Allah's plan in all your suffering lies, His hidden mercy. Guide us to the straight path. If Allah took from you what you didn't expect to lose, believe that Allah can give you what you don't expect to have. Just be patient. The one who created the different path has also created the strength in you to overcome it. Allah tests different people with different trials because everyone has a different level of patience, tolerance, and faith. Allah will bring relief your way from places you have never imagined. Don't stress, leave it all in Allah's hand. If it's good for you, it will come to you. Then, when you have taken a decision, put your trust in Allah. When you start feeling sad for no apparent reason whatsoever, then realize this, that it is because your soul is longing to remember Allah. If you like my video, please hit the like button and share and subscribe my channel.